On display today is a 2004 Moomba Mobius LSV. It's equipped with an Indmar 5.7 liter 350 block. The engine was replaced in 2020. This vessel has been recently serviced and is showing very well, presents as phenomenal value. Let's get into it and have a look. This package is equipped with a trailer, paint over galv with spare tire. Gel coat on the boat shows quite well. There is a hint of oxidization, but would easily clean up with a bit of a buff. Near the transom, you can see the Velcro for the Ronex wake shaper, which is included in the package. And then at the stern, you've got a trim plate along with your underwater running gear, all showing in good condition. On the transom, there are some chips along the swim platform. And there is a bit of spider cracking, but it is non-structural. All the upholstery on the sun deck shows very, very well. Little to no discoloration. No nicks or tears. There are a couple of marks which may or may not come out. And then in the cockpit, all the upholstery shows quite well. The boat is equipped with stern ballast on both sides of the engine compartment, as well as in the ski lock. It's also equipped with your Perfect Pass cruise control and full instrumentation. We've got 4 in-boat cockpit speakers, 2 bow speakers, and a subwoofer. In the bow, all the upholstery shows quite well. No discoloration, marks or stains to speak of. Everything looks really nice and tidy. Moving on back. Got driver's seat with bolster seat. And in the engine compartment, as I mentioned, it's an Indmar 350 block. All showing very well. So there you have it. It is the 2004 Moomba Mobius LSV. As you can see, this boat is a great package. Looking for a new home. If you're interested, give me a call, Patrick at 0427-162-749, or you can email me at patrick@coastalboatsales.com.au.